Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Control Board Assy Cle, Clen for Hobart part #00-974835. Control Board Assy Cle, Clen for Hobart part #00-974835 is a replacement control board assembly for Hobart commercial dishwashers. This part is designed to replace the existing control board in the dishwasher and restore its functionality. The control board is responsible for controlling all of the functions of the dishwasher, including temperature, cycle time, and water levels. This part includes a circuit board, a wiring harness, and a mounting bracket. It also includes all necessary hardware for installation. This part is compatible with several models. This part fixes the following symptoms. 1. Make sure the power is off to the Hobart unit before beginning installation. 2. Remove the existing control board assembly from the unit by unscrewing the mounting screws and disconnecting any wiring harnesses. 3. Install the new control board assembly by connecting any wiring harnesses and securing it with the mounting screws. 4. Turn on the power to the Hobart unit and test that all functions are working properly. Here is how you install this part. This part is used to replace a faulty control board assembly in Hobart equipment. It can help to fix issues such as the machine not turning on, not responding to commands, or displaying error messages. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.